Hey guys, one of my co-workers brought this to my attention to show you guys the inside drum when we load our concrete, sand, cement and all that. The inside. A lot of you guys have not seen it. Let's go.
Yeah, I know. Even when my wife was like, how do the inside look? She never see the inside, and I believe a lot of you guys that have been watching these videos, you'll be wondering, how is the inside looking? I want to see. So this was around 5 in the morning. 5 in the morning, so you can see the inside. You can see the inside. So what you're seeing right there is fan. F-A-N. It rotates so much, in order to mix the concrete. And what you're seeing on the top of that hopper, we call that hopper. Right there is like pipe. So you can run water inside your drum. That's what that do. Anytime you get to the job site, they ask you for water. You just open the valve down there, and the water will just shoot in to give you the gauge, a slump that you need. So that's the drum. That's the drum right there. The fan inside. So I was just showing. A lot of drivers are ready. The loader man is always ready. This is what we do. We just do our job. Just try to stay safe out there. My coworker just reminded me, girls, you're my man. So that's how it looks closely. The tones, the everything in it. I mean, it looked good, but it's not a place to sleep. It's not a place to chill. This can just do some horrible damage in somebody's body. But thank God we don't make that mistake. So that's what I want to show you guys. And in a minute, you're gonna see the load, because some minutes later I took some load. Then I have to go up there and slump down so I can show you guys how it turns. You can only see this in the night on video. That's what you can only see. So right now, loaded. These steps always like exercise for us, every morning, every time we get a load, we just do some exercise. So if you look in there now, you can see I just got loaded, and right now the cement, the concrete, everything is like, I said, 3.5 inches slump, 3.5 inch slump. So I'm looking at I want to give it up to 6. The ticket says 5, but I want to give it up to 6. Because you can be 1 inch ahead, and it's still mixing, if you can see. I really want to get it to at least 6 something. So I'll be fine because it just slide. That's it, Love you guys.
Safety, attendance, a clean truck, and a smile go a long way. Alright? Be happy.